Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. We can put about x and s square. Later that we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 16x squared. Later that we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about 2x. So because we have x squared, so we need to put number 16 go to the left. Number 2 and number 2, we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for u. S square we change for this one. S ds we change for u du. So u and u we have u square. So u square multiplied by u square and number 16. Now we have the formula in here. So the integration of u to the power of 4. So we put number 4 going here. So we have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. So number 2, I will put this one going here. So 2 plus 1, we have number 3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.